Tired of watching others succeed in e-commerce while you're left behind? It's time to level the playing field with Shopify for e-commerce. Get ready to rewrite your e-commerce story. Join us as we uncover the secrets to e-commerce success. Welcome to the Financial Context channel, where we're all about empowering you to achieve your e-commerce dreams. If you've been feeling like you're falling behind in the e-commerce race, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the game-changing potential of Shopify and how it can transform your e-commerce journey. Shopify for e-commerce. Alright, let's dive deeper into the world of Shopify and uncover its vast potential for revolutionizing your e-commerce journey. Imagine this scenario. You have a brilliant product or service, but you're struggling to reach your target audience effectively in the crowded online marketplace. Enter Shopify, the ultimate game-changer in the realm of e-commerce. As we embark on this journey, let's explore the multifaceted benefits and capabilities that Shopify brings to the table. Picture yourself harnessing the power of Shopify's intuitive platform, where building and customizing your online store becomes a seamless and empowering experience. With its array of user-friendly features and flexible design options, Shopify empowers you to create a captivating online storefront that truly reflects the essence of your brand. In today's hyper-competitive digital landscape, differentiation is key. With Shopify's diverse selection of premium themes and robust customization tools, you can elevate your brand presence and captivate your audience from the moment they land on your site. And let's not forget about responsiveness. With Shopify, your store will effortlessly adapt to any device, ensuring a flawless shopping experience for your customers across all platforms. Security is paramount in the world of e-commerce, and Shopify prioritizes it with advanced built-in measures and a wide range of secure payment options. Rest assured that your transactions are safeguarded, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Plus, with Shopify's scalable plans and round-the-clock customer support, you'll have the flexibility and guidance you need to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of online retail. However, the true magic of Shopify lies in its vibrant app ecosystem. With thousands of apps available in the Shopify App Store, you have the power to enhance every aspect of your store's functionality, from marketing and analytics to inventory management and customer support. Explore the endless possibilities and unleash the full potential of your e-commerce venture with these invaluable tools. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur venturing into the world of online retail or an established business owner seeking to expand your digital footprint, Shopify offers a comprehensive solution tailored to your needs. It's time to turn your dreams into reality and embark on a journey of e-commerce success with Shopify as your trusted partner. Please check the link in the description to sign up for Shopify. Ready to kickstart your e-commerce journey with Shopify? Click the link in the description to sign up and start your free trial today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your business and achieve financial prosperity. Join us on the Financial Context channel for more valuable insights and tips to fuel your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, happy selling.